Kori Sukha is an amazing dry chicken that comes from Mangalore, India. Kori simply means chicken in Tulu, and Sukha means dry. This dish comes from Karnataka, and Kori Sukha literally means dry chicken. In a hot pot, dry roast half a cup of coconut. Keep stirring this so you get an even browning, and then just keep it aside. I'm also going to brown a quarter cup of coconut slices. This is totally optional. I'll be using it as a garnish later. For the special masala, these are all the spices I'm going to be roasting. Start with 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, half a teaspoon of black peppercorns, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, half a teaspoon of methi seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 10 cloves, and 2 inches of cinnamon, and saute these. I'm now going to add some dried red chillies. I have 10 dried chilies here. I'm just going to remove the stems. You can also remove the seeds if you wish. Roast these as well. Now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of sliced onion. I'm also going to throw in 6 garlic cloves. Allow the onion to sweat and then add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Switch off the heat, allow it to cool, and then add it to a food processor and allow it to come to room temp. I'm also going to add 3/4 of the coconut, reserving the rest for garnish. I pre-soaked some tamarind in half a cup of water and I'm going to add this in. I'm also going to add in another half cup of water to help blend this to a paste. In the same saute pan, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of oil and 1 cup of sliced onion. Saute this. Next, add in half a cup of curry leaves and saute it with the onion. I'm now going to add in 1 kilo of chicken pieces and 1 tablespoon of salt. Saute the chicken. I've ground up all of the masala and now I'm going to add this to the chicken. I'm also going to add in half a cup of water in the jar just to release all of that spice paste. Make sure the chicken is coated in the spice paste and then add the water as well. Cover and cook this for 30 minutes. Open the lid and allow the gravy to dry up for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add the reserved coconut. Also add salt to taste, going to add a little bit more oil as well. Garnish with coriander and the reserved sliced coconut and serve with rotis.